Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to configure app permissions on your JVC Smart TV. So let's start with the general permissions. In order to access a specific app's permissions, you're going to have to go to the settings on your device, then go to applications menu. In this menu, select manage install applications, and then select the application for which you want to adjust some permissions. Not all the applications use permissions, but for example this one does. And if you select this one from on the list, you can go to permissions. As you can see, it asks us for the permission to use our files and media, and we can either deny or allow the usage of them for this app. And that's how you can do this for each application that requires permissions on your TV. But as you can see, not each application does. Now, the other kind of permission is a permission to install from unknown sources. And to activate this one or to change this permission, we're gonna have to go to Device and Software Settings, then go to About, and then highlight your TV option and press OK or select button 7 times until you see you are now a developer notification on your screen. Then go back to Device and Software menu, select Developer Options, go to Install Unknown Apps, and then select the applications you want to to allow this permission for. And the last type of permission I want to tell you about in this video is notification permissions. And to change the notification permissions, we're gonna have to go to the settings once again and then select preferences. Here we're gonna have to go to notification settings, then go to app notifications, and then disable or enable the notifications for specific apps in this menu simply by selecting an app that you want to either restrict or allow receiving notifications from. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.